Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am back and I am motivated to film videos this 2020. My lighting is not the best right now because yeah, I just figured I gotta film and I want to film, and I'm not gonna let the setting up and the cleaning up and all that get in the way. So I decided to just sit down and what I'm going to be filming today is a review slash demo on the Revlon One Step Dryer. I've been seeing this around social media, the internet, a lot, and I've actually had this for a while now. I've been using it for a while and I'm just seeing the hype and the rave about it. When I bought it, I honestly don't know if it was priced incorrectly or whatnot. I swear I got this thing for like $15, and I know now it runs for like $50 or something like that. But yeah, I don't know if it was marked wrong because I actually purchased it at Walmart and it was the only one left. It looked like someone had opened the box already and didn't know how to put it back in, but I really wanted it and I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna get it. No, it didn't look like it was returned and used, like used and returned. It just looked like someone opened it to check it out and then didn't know how to put it back in the box. But I don't know if that's why it was marked down for $15. I don't know, but I guess I got a really good deal seeing the prices that it's running for now. But yeah, I love this thing. I swear by this. It's so easy. I recently cut my hair, so when I started using this, actually my hair was longer and I was able to get like a nice curl to it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. Before I start, I'm going to give you guys some tips as I'm prepping myself. When you're going to do this, you don't want to do this with wet hair. You want to do it with damp hair, towel dried hair. You also want to prep your hair with like with some type of heat protectant, because along with all the rave that I'm seeing, I'm also seeing a lot of people complain that it damaged their hair, that it burned their hair, that it fried their hair. So I don't know what's the deal with that, but I usually put in like a leave-in conditioner and I brush it out. This is a wet brush, wet comb. Make sure it's brushed out before you start to blow dry your hair. Now it's gonna be hard for me to talk while I am blow drying my hair because it's pretty loud. So I'm trying to give you guys the tips now, and then in between, if I can think of anything, of course I will stop and tell you guys. Okay, so now that it's all brushed out, we're gonna go ahead and get started. You want to part your hair in small sections. You don't want to do too big of a section. So actually, I'm gonna also apply some this is a comparison to a Paul Mitchell serum. I get these at Sally's and it's this one here. Is it focusing? Yeah. So this is supposed to reduce your drying time. So I just put a little bit on, typically just on my ends, because my scalp already gets really oily, so I just put it on my ends. Alright, and it instantly feels so soft with that. I love it. Okay, so I'm going just right underneath my ear to start off. I'm going to section off the rest to the top. And then if you guys want volume, what you want to do is you want to hold it for a few seconds going upwards like this. So kind of focus it, drying your hair upwards like that if you want the volume. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm probably going to speed this up because this is pretty loud. It does have a few settings. So you have your off, and it's down here. You have your off, your cool, your low, and your high. I typically keep it on high. Sorry, I'm like running out of breath. I typically keep it on high, and then once I have the once I have the desired look or the desired style or whatever for that section, then I'll turn it to cool, and then I'll cool that section down, so it keeps that how can I say this, like, it keeps the shine, and it doesn't go frizzy or anything like that. So you're just kind of cooling it after you style it. So again, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on because it's pretty loud. I'll have you guys hear it. So this is the cool, this is the low, and this is the high. So, here we go. Okay, so that was the first section that I did. As you can see, it looks really soft. It feels really soft. It's completely dry. Now, I really have a lot of hair. I do have a lot of hair. So it takes me a long time to blow dry my hair the regular way with like a brush and a hair dryer. That literally, I actually didn't used to do that often at all because it just hurt my hands. I'm gonna just keep going, and I did cool it down. I don't know if you guys saw me switch the setting, but I did cool it down. I'm gonna go up another section. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so bouncy. It's so soft. That volume there, it's so nice. And I will be straightening the ends just because since my hair is short and straight, it's blunt straight, I get like that curl in or curl out, and I really am not a fan of that. So I am going to go in and straighten it. But when I did have my long hair, all I would do is simply do this movement to the ends. Like, I would curl it going outward, and then I would kind of like roll it and slide it so it'll look like a curl. And that's what I would do to my hair, and I would get like that bouncy blowout look. And yeah, I loved it. So I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so this would be just blow dried hair, nothing else. Hope you guys can see like the shininess of my hair. A little backstory on my hair. As you guys could see on my previous videos, I was blonde, and I was blonde for a really long time, for years and years. And then just recently I actually stopped drying. I quit with dyeing my hair. And this is pretty much all natural hair. Probably still have about an inch or two, maybe 2-3 inches of processed hair, but for the most part this is all natural hair. This is my natural hair color, and yeah, so this is blow dried. So just how you guys can see like these waves, that's how all my hair was when I had it a little longer. But So like this that kind of like goes in or goes out. I'm not really a fan of that. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten that, and I will be right back. I just literally just pressed the ends because again I don't like them curled in or out. The only other thing that I'm going to do is apply some Aquage. This is the Beyond Shine. So yeah, I'm going to use this one. But overall, guys, my thoughts on the Revlon One Step Dryer is you guys have to have it if you guys like that blowout look. If you guys have longer hair, you guys can definitely play with it and give you guys some, you know, that blowout curl look. It looks really nice. And it does last a few days. I don't know how often you girls wash your hair. I don't wash my hair so often. I wash it maybe every 3 to 4 days. But yeah, I have been loving it. That's the only way I've been styling my hair. Just recently when I cut it, I'm starting to kind of let my curls do its thing. And I'll do a video on how I kind of style my natural curls as well, or my natural waves. So yeah, but other than that, guys, I do love the Revlon One Step hair dryer. Or not, I know a lot of other brands are coming out with the same product, just rebranding it sort of. I mean, I don't know what different functions it might have, but it definitely looks just like it. I got mine at Walmart. That's probably the cheapest place that you guys are going to be able to pick it up. I know Target has it too. Ulta has it as well, and I know with Ulta you could use some of their coupons. But yeah, I think even with the coupons, Walmart might be your best bet. But yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, go ahead and leave those down in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you. And yeah, I want to film a brow tutorial, kind of how I do my brows. I actually don't use any brow products for my eyebrows. I just use whatever I have. So if you guys want to know how to do your eyebrows without going and breaking the budget on fancy eyebrow products, then let me know and I can film that for you guys as well. Today I have little to no makeup on. I have concealer, my eyebrows, and mascara and some lip balm. That's all that I have. But yeah, but again, guys, like, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, if you want to see more of me, if you want to learn more from what I've learned personally. I will be more than happy to share that with you guys. And that is it for now. Until next time, bye.